amazing over the duration of these 5 days of our race schedule.
Ko te reihi ruarau te kaumātahi, ngā tāne te kaumaono tau meraro I hote pake ke taki ono 500 mita. He whiringa toa tēnei mō te wahanga Te Kei. Kei te Aratuatahi Waiopehu College, te Kuiti High School, te Wharekura o Mauao, te Aute College, kei te Aratuawha, Tuarima ko Tuakau College, te Kurakaupapa Māori o Tūpoho, Whanganui City College, kei te Aratuawhitu, te Kurakaupapa o Ruamata, me College te Paopao, kei te Aratua Iwa.
Morena, nā tuire. We are back
Morena.
here, day 5. And our first race of the 500 meter turns. It looks like we've got a bit of issues out there this morning with the wind picking up to at least 6 to 8 knots southwester. So it's a little bit colder than it has been this week. And these crews are struggling out there to hold their position on this line.
Engari, Waimari e nui te mānawa, they've had heaps of time to reset and get back into their lane. Ara, kua rewa ko te haki mā.
Yes, it looks like we're getting there soon. White flag is up, red flag is up now, so they will start making their way to that start line, and hopefully we get a green.
Seen on the water, we've got a red flag happening now, flying on the support boat.
And then we have it again, another black flag. Tough conditions out there with the side wind. It's making it hard for the steerers to hold their boats in the right position, but also for the rest of the crews having to adjust and keep that boat in their lanes. Lane 4 just coming back now. It looks like we're going to get a green any second. Here we go, green flag, and we're off.
Oh, rawe te tiwatanga I te ara tuatoru, te whare kura o maua o kiharoa te ingo tō rātou kapa.
I'll tell you what, this is one of my favorite races to watch because there are a lot of variables. When you add in a turn to the mix, you could have very strong straights, but you have a very weak turn and you can easily lose that position.
Sometimes our steerers take a risk, trying to make up some time, try and cut in front of some people.
And there we have it, I think, out there in lane 9. Is that a Tahitian team?
College te Paopao.
Yep, strong straight. So again, we'll see how their turn goes and whether they can hold that lead or if somebody that's lacking behind now in these straights can pull off a nice comeback after their turn.
Me te ruarau 50 mita hoki kia hoki atu, you still have 250 meters to go back after that turn.
And as you'll see, there's a few steerers that are using up the majority of their lane. 32 meters, I think I heard you say.
32 meters.
A little bit more distance than we have at our nationals, but it gives these young kids enough space to work that turn.
Te Aute College, te ra atu te Aratuawha.
And what we see here down in lane 1 is they've gone out for the double post. So seat 1 and 2 are hanging out there, but they've gone in for their draw. Maybe a little bit too early. They're going to struggle to bring that nose of their canoe around.
Lanes 4 and 5, ka puta tuatahi mai.
So with that wind, that side wind there, as they come around that turn, you're actually bringing the nose in towards that wind, and it makes it a little bit harder to bring the nose around because there's a bit more resistance on that nose.
Ai, ko te haupā taha tērā, te panapana I a koe. Engari kei te Aratuarima, me te Aratuawha.
There's a decent gap that's opened up after that turn. They didn't go into the turn first, but as we said, it takes a turn. A nice turn will give you a good lead. The Tahitian crew out there wide is still holding a nice lead though. And then here comes lane 4 and 5 following just behind.
He whiringa toa tēnei e te whānau, mō te wahanga Te Kei.
This is it, the last stretch. Good push home. Start taking up the rates. The rate will come up. It's the final stretch. Everything you got. There's no more races. Leave it out there.
Hara mai te toki te ahua nei kei te Aratuawha, te Aute College.
Lane 4 comes through after the Tahitians. Unfortunately, the Tahitians don't medal over here, but it's great to have them come over here and share their experience, their knowledge. Paddling to them is like our rugby over here.
And it's quite obvious too. It's quite obvious. te kaha o tā rātou hoi. Ā tātou whakaihu aka. Tēnei te reihi 211 ngā tāne, te kauma ono tau me raro iho te pakeke, te au te college.